Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts no egg easy method. Preheat oil to 350 degrees F and prepare wet and dry mixes separately. Combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl, then stir wet ingredients into dry until just combined. Use yogurt or applesauce for binding and shape dough gently. Fry small batches until golden, drain on paper towels, and finish with a simple glaze or dusting of sugar. Start with accurate measurements and mix just until the dough comes together to avoid toughness. Use a spatula and gentle folding motions rather than vigorous beating to keep air pockets intact. If the dough is sticky, chill it for 15 to 20 minutes to firm up for easier shaping. Roll the dough lightly and cut donuts with minimal pressure to preserve a light interior, then rest them briefly before frying for best results. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after all those morning donut runs, and it pairs nicely with a coffee stop. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Maintain oil at a steady 350 degrees F and fry dough rings in small batches to avoid temperature drops. Flip donuts once they brown evenly and remove promptly to drain on a rack so they stay crisp. Use a simple glaze of powdered sugar, milk, and a touch of vanilla for a smooth coating, or dust with cinnamon sugar if preferred. Cool slightly before glazing so the finish adheres and looks glossy and appetizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.